Where must a current-carrying coil be placed to experience a turning effect? A. Inside a conductor. B. Inside a permanent magnetic field. C. Inside a vacuum chamber. D. Inside an insulator. The correct answer is B. Inside a permanent magnetic field. What happens to the length, area, and volume of a solid when it is heated? A. They all increase. B. They remain unchanged. C. Length increases, but area and volume decrease. D. They all decrease. The correct answer is A. They all increase. Which plant adaptation is described as a swollen and spongy petiole in Eichhornia? A. Air chambers. B. Tendrils. C. Spines. D. Root nodules. The correct answer is A. Air chambers. How can hair be kept clean according to basic hygiene practices? A. By applying hairspray daily. B. By using dry shampoo once a week. C. By frequent washing. D. By brushing only. The correct answer is C. By frequent washing. Which of the following is listed as a component for the electricity producing activity? A. Glass rod. B. Silver plate. C. Porridge. D. Ceramic beaker. The correct answer is C. Porridge. What is the characteristic insulation color of the live wire in a household electric circuit? A. Black. B. Red. C. Green. D. Blue. The correct answer is B. Red. What concept describes the self-propulsion of a rocket? A. Gravity assist. B. Atmospheric lift. C. Mass ejection. D. Solar sail. The correct answer is C. Mass ejection. Which of the following objects would not form a shadow? A. A brick wall. B. A wooden block. C. A clear glass pane. D. A metal sphere. The correct answer is C. A clear glass pane. What are the structures involved in the circulation in animals topic? A. Veins and pulmonary capillaries. B. Abo and RH factor. C. Heartbeat and heart sound. D. Neutrophils and eosinophils. The correct answer is A. Veins and pulmonary capillaries. What is the primary function of antioxidants in food? A. They enhance the flavor of food. B. They protect food from spoilage. C. They add sweet taste to food. D. They prevent the oxidation of food. The correct answer is D. They prevent the oxidation of food. Besides tungsten, which other metal is explicitly mentioned as reacting with carbon to form carbides? A. Iron. B. Silver. C. Lead. D. Gold. The correct answer is A. Iron. Name the 5 important sense organs. A. Kidneys, liver, stomach, intestines, lungs. B. Brain, spinal cord, nerves. C. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. D. Heart, blood vessels, blood. The correct answer is C. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. How should an ammeter be connected in an electric circuit? A. In series. B. In parallel. C. In combination. D. In sequence. The correct answer is A. In series. Which of the following substances is given as an example of a homogeneous mixture? A. Steel. B. Iodine. C. Camphor. D. Ammonium chloride. The correct answer is A. Steel. What is the primary role of bile salts in digestion? A. Controlling blood sugar levels. B. Synthesizing red blood cells. C. Absorbing amino acids. D. Emulsification of fats. The correct answer is D. Emulsification of fats. How many trips did Sunita Williams make to the International Space Station? A. 4. B. 3. C. 2. D. 1. The correct answer is C. 2. What is true about the rates of forward and backward reactions at chemical equilibrium? A. The forward rate is greater. B. They fluctuate randomly. C. The backward rate is greater. D. They are equal. The correct answer is D. They are equal. How many resulting daughter cells contain the same genetic information as the parent cell after DNA replication? A. 1. B. 4. C. 2. D. 3. The correct answer is C. 2. How many wildlife or bird sanctuaries are there approximately in India? A. 12. B. 73. C. 91,000. D. 416. The correct answer is D. 416. What does the term valency refer to? A. The number of protons in an atom. B. The electronegativity of an atom. C. The combining capacity of an atom. D. The atomic weight of an element. The correct answer is C. The combining capacity of an atom. What is the approximate value of 1 atmospheric pressure, ATM, in pascals? A. 1.013 x 10 3 pa. B. 1.013 x 10 5 pa. C. 1.013 x 10 4 pa. D. 1.013 x 10 6 pa. The correct answer is B. 1.013 x 10 5 pa. What is the general topic being discussed when focusing parallel rays with a concave mirror? A. Light absorption. B. Light reflection. C. Light diffraction. D. Light refraction. The correct answer is B. Light reflection. Who demonstrated the concept related to hydroponics in 1980? A. Julius Robert Oppenheimer. B. Julius Caesar. C. Julius von Sachs. D. Julius Irving. The correct answer is C. Julius von Sachs. What term describes the lunar phase when the moon is less than half illuminated? A. Gibbous. B. Waning. C. Waxing. D. Crescent. The correct answer is D. Crescent. An effector reflex is the result of what? A. Involuntary muscle contractions only. B. Hormonal secretions. C. Conscious thought. D. Practice and an organ responding to a stimulus. The correct answer is D. Practice and an organ responding to a stimulus. Through which structure does the buccal cavity of a leech open? A. Esophagus. B. Anus. C. Mouth. D. Pharynx. The correct answer is C. Mouth. What are the products when hydrocarbons burn in oxygen? A. Nitrogen and carbon monoxide. B. Methane and oxygen. C. Carbon monoxide and hydrogen. D. Carbon dioxide and water vapor. The correct answer is D. Carbon dioxide and water vapor. For what purposes are oil crops useful on a large scale? A. Soil enrichment and aeration. B. Consumption or industrial uses. C. Ornamental uses and landscaping. D. Pest control and disease prevention. The correct answer is B. Consumption or industrial uses. What specific type of digestive aid is present in the cecum to help with cellulose breakdown? A. Bile. B. Bacteria. C. Enzymes. D. Acids. The correct answer is B. Bacteria. Which type of valency is associated with atoms that donate electrons? A. Positive valency. B. Negative valency. C. Variable valency. D. Zero valency. The correct answer is A. Positive valency. How did you score?